We've got green on the screen here. Ines, what are you seeing?
Yeah, that's right. With the Dow up 480 points, slightly off the session highs, but still going to end the session in the green. You've got the Nasdaq also up more than 2% here, and the S&P 500 up about 1.5%. We want to take a look at the bond market because we've been watching it throughout the day. The 10-year note at 2.91%, the 30-year yield earlier touching 3%. Those levels hadn't been seen since 2019. Over on the sector action, we are seeing that consumer discretionary, real estate, communication services, these are the sectors that have been in the green today, seeing the most gains. You've got energy that's going to end as a laggard for the day. Over on the Nasdaq 100, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Earlier this morning, a lot of these names were flat or slightly in the red. You've got Amazon. Remember, Amazon's part of the consumer discretionary group, up more than 3.5%. Tesla up more than 2%. And Facebook going to end the session up more than 3%. I also want to look at the travel stocks because those are going to end in the green today. Those mask mandates that have been lifted, oil also closing lower today. All of this has been helping out the travel stocks where you've got the airlines and the cruise lines in the green.